insert the node for a binary tree. Okay, so you have seen this is the tree, and let's say this is a binary tree. Binary tree is a tree which have a 0, 1 or 2, one of these child nodes. Okay, so more than 2 is not allowed. More than children of us node is not allowed. So it's you are seeing this node now. This node is equivalent to this node. Okay, so if there is a data is 5, so data is 5 in this. So and these two boxes are right pointer, and this is the left pointer. Okay, so this is the key value, and whole this box is called node, single node. Okay, so in this lecture we see the how this node is created. And second thing we will see how these nodes are in how these nodes are connected to each other. Okay, so let's see. First of all, change the pen. Mm, so we are using the structure, and this is the format struct node, and we are taking the data as an integer, and we are taking the two pointers left and right, and pointer these are pointer pointing to the struct node type of a data structure, means this type of data structure they are pointing. Okay, so this function is a we call constructor, and if we write like this node 5, it means that data is a 5 and left and right pointer is a null, so it will look like this 5. This is the right pointer, and which is pointing to null, and this is the left pointer which is pointing to the null. So this way we can create this node. Okay, so you can see this you can see this is the outer structure of a tree, and this is the internal structure of tree. So you can see each node is having a two pointer left and right, and they are connecting to each other. So left is connected to this, right is connected to this, and if we want to identify which node is a leaf node, so if the left pointer and right pointer both are null, then it is a leaf node. Okay, leaf node. And this is also leaf node because the left and right pointer are null, and this is also leaf node. So this is the internal structure, this is the outer look of a tree. So how we can create these node, and let's see. So I have a structure, uh, structure format struct node something we have seen above. So how can we make this root node? So we initialize the root with the struct node pointer. So root is a pointer. Okay, root is a pointer, is pointing to the struct node type of a data structure. Okay, so this new is a keyword which will create a heap data heap which create a heap memory segment for a type node type data structure. Okay, so if this is the heap memory, then new variable will create a node type data structure or space in a heap. So node is created, and this root is pointing to this node, and one is inserted in this. So this is a null, and this is null, and this is created in heap data. Same way, uh, second thing is second statement is we wants to make a node to uh, in the left of this node. So what is the format? It will create a new node node 2 is created and which key value is 2, and let's okay, so key value is 2, and we want a root left, a pointer is having this, so this is the root, so its left is having this, so this is way it connects. Okay, like that way the root right is node 3, so we created a root 3 which is having a null and null, and we want to the root node, this node which having a value 3 on the root of right. Okay, so this is at the right. In this way we can create the node and connect the nodes. Okay, so let's see the full code. This is a full code, you can see. So this is the structure, this is like a blueprint. Okay, so if we call this line, then there is a root pointer which is pointing to, a node 1. Node 1 means this. When we write pass this value in this, then data value will become a node 1, and left right pointer both having a null. Okay, null, null. So so and then next statement, root left, root, this is a root left means this pointer is pointing to the node 2. Node 2 is this, node 2 is this, which is pointing to the null and null, and it created a heap area. You may see it is creating a heap area, and root left is pointing to this, so null is now removed and it is pointing to the this. So address of this is stored in this. Let's say it's a uh, let's say it's a address is a 1000, and so 1000 will store in this. Okay, and let's say this node 3 is having a 2000 memory address, so 2000 will store in a right. Okay, because of this. And if this node is having a address of a 100, so root, which is a data point, which is a pointer which is stored the address